chasing the sun where the magic grows. From Disney dreams to the Universal shows. The coasters are roaring, the skies are so blue. We got snacks, we got tracks, and a view for you. Florida vibes and the theme park hype. Living the dream every day and night. Welcome to the vlog. Let the fun ignite.
Good morning.
Morning.
We are just parking up. We parked at Blizzard Beach because we're going to come here for an afternoon cool down, but we're going to go to Animal Kingdom this morning to go on some of the rides that we haven't been on yet and have a walk around. We're by ourselves this morning, so we'll be able to have a walk around, do like the bigger rides that we've not been able to do.
Yeah, I'll do Expedition Everest.
Yeah.
I don't know what else. Maybe Pandora again.
Yeah.
Flight of Passage.
And then we're going to come back here in the early afternoon, cool down,
Cool
chill
down,
out.
because it looks like it's going to be hot again.
Yeah, and then meet up with the rest of the family then. And we'll check in when we're on the bus to Animal Kingdom. We are on the bus, headed over to Animal Kingdom now. That was so fast. We literally got on the bus straight away, it was already there. So it's maybe what, a 5-minute drive over to Animal Kingdom. But yeah, it saved us $35 and we're coming back to Blizzard Beach anyway later, so we're gonna get on there. See you in the vlog.
Fit check. There we are. Sun's out, absolutely beaming. Excited?
Already.
Yeah, it's so hot. My tattoos are burning. That's when you know it's a hot day. Here we go. Here we go. It never gets old seeing that. So pretty. Don't know where we're gonna head, but let's just wing it. It's 40 minutes, we've already been in it about 5 minutes, so we'll see how long it takes. Here we go. Woo! Oh wow, what a view! Hell yeah! Woohoo! Ho ho ho! Here we go! Woo! Yeah, baby! Ready? Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. Arms up. Yes. Oh. Oh. Amazing. How was Everest?
Oh, it's great. It's just, it's so good.
Yeah, it was amazing. Oh no, someone dropped the popcorn all over the floor. That's heartbreak. Yeah, anyway.
We met a really nice couple there, didn't we?
Yeah, that was really nice. Wasn't 40 minutes.
No, never was.
It was literally 25, 30. So, and we was queuing all the way outside, like before the even entrance.
It's crazy because it's got like a 28, 30 person carriage. So
Yeah, so it flies. You're constantly moving as well.
Yeah.
I love the ride. The ride is so good. If you've never been on it, give it a go. Sick. We're now going to head where?
We're going to see if we can get to Rafiki's Planet Watch. We've both never done that before. So we're going to see what that's about.
Yeah, Safaris is long because it's morning still.
Yeah.
Obviously, everyone goes in the morning to see everything because it is the best time, but there isn't a bad time anyway. So we're going to head there now. So Rafiki's Planet Watch is closed.
Boo.
What's it been replaced by? Something bluey.
Bluey Experience.
So we just grabbed a Powerade and a Fanta and
Fanta and a mango coconut bar. Let's sit here, we can have a look.
yeah, so we'll have a look.
Mango coconut bar. It's just a little mini Mickey. Look.
What does it smell like?
Chocolate.
Is it white chocolate covered?
I don't know.
Go on, give it a try.
Oh,
Is it good?
so good.
Is it? I'm excited now.
I think it tastes a bit banana-y.
Is it? Yeah, it smells like chocolate. Banana.
It does, doesn't it? It's so good though.
What is it? I don't know.
I don't know, it's bark, so I'm assuming it is chocolate, but
Yeah.
it's good though.
It's like they're the foam bananas. Strong. 8.5 out of 10. It's good. I just don't like chocolate.
Yeah, but I think the flavour of the fruitiness is so good.
Yeah, just when I'm in a hot country, I just don't like chocolate that much. But yeah, banging. Love this. Rate the photo.
It's a great photo.
That's our best pose yet. Look at that. That's us done at Animal Kingdom for now. We're going to head to Blizzard for the afternoon.
I'm gonna launch myself into the water.
Yeah, it's so hot, so we're going to go there to cool down. We may come back this afternoon, but we'll see. See what the time is and how the day goes. We just need to cool down because it's so hot. So hot. And I also want to come back because I want to go on Avatar, but I'm not waiting 110 minutes because that's a long time. So we'll see. Yeah, obviously I can't film much here because kids walking about and stuff, and I don't want to be that weird guy, you know. So just gonna go in the store because I forgot my stuff. So I'm gonna grab some bits and I'll catch you with what I can film. We've just been on the Double Dipper. Incredible. Chloe claiming she beat me, but I don't think she did. I reckon I just beat her, but she's adamant she did. So now I've got some food. Pepperoni.
Cheese.
Crispy coat, crispy fat mash. Beautiful day. I've already been eating it because I left the camera at the bed. How was it? It's the same pizza as Animal Kingdom, so you can't go wrong. It's like the cheapest meal yet, like $23 or something, all in. Bargain.
With the drink, it's probably been about 40.
Yeah, with the drinks it's a bit more expensive, but still it's probably the cheapest meal we've had in Disney. So for pizza, you get a bag of crisps as well, or chips, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, good. Food was strong 9 out of 10. Enjoyed that. Gonna go Lazy River. We should have bought a GoPro. A GoPro waterproof one. So we could have actually filmed. Because this is too dangerous. But yeah, pieces
Then
were
we got
good.
top to bottom in
We got
6.5
these.
seconds.
You can keep refilling them.
My alt was in my
I think we
mouth.
can anyway, well, we are.
No, the races.
But yeah, we're gonna head
we got two
to
quite fast.
Lazy River.
You can get the thing
Just
up there,
see-
one of
see where
them,
it takes
the
us.
ski slope.
Oopsie daisy. That was accidental. I might insert this footage into the vlog.
Huh?
I could insert this into the vlog.
I was just thinking that because it's landscaping.
Yeah. We're just on the lazy river. But we went through like a really bad waterfall and I was worried about my glasses.
The glasses are quite wet.
Yeah. But I got through the waterfall okay. And then I decided to jump on top of my thing and absolutely went under.
Saturated me at the same
Yeah,
time.
so that's that. Just been floating around the lazy river for the last half an hour.
We did, we went around twice without realising.
So now we're going to jump on some slides.
Yes.
Before we're going to start cooking too.
Yeah.
She's going to be like Larry the Lobster.
And will watch me in a bit. I'll be
So-
like,
So we're going to go on some rides. See you soon. That's a wrap on, I was going to say Volcano Bay, wasn't. It was Blizzard Beach, that's a wrap. Park was good, it was alright to be fair, it's alright. So it's included with your ticket when you get the 14-day pass. It's worth a visit. But what I would say is the locker room where you get changed, it's just like a big football changing room. Like there's no private booth, so I've had to come and use the disabled toilet because I'm not getting completely naked and changing my boxes and everything in front of random men. I don't know. Maybe some people don't mind it, but personally, a bit of privacy would help. Yeah, so that's it for today. We was gonna go Animal Kingdom, but we've parked in Blizzard Beach, so we don't want to pay $35 now to go and park at Animal Kingdom. So we're just going to give it a miss. We was going to go to Magic Kingdom fireworks, but again we're going to have to pay, so there's no point in paying just for a couple of hours to see the fireworks. So we're going to see fireworks tomorrow. And I don't know yet, don't know what else we're going to do tomorrow. Anyway, forget tomorrow. Today, we're going to go from here to TJ Maxx, probably Raising Cane's, because Chloe's obsessed with Raising Cane's. So we'll go for Raising Cane's and then back to the villa, chill, bit of pool, but look at my shoulders. I think I've caught the sun a little bit. So yeah, that's it for today. Park wise, we're just gonna go and chill out. TJ Maxx, food, pool day, and relax.
it's too hot.
It's roasting.
It is.
Poor Goofy's been sat in the window all day. And it's currently now 88. Or
It's definitely
yeah, 88.
not.
It's high, it's not 88. I think it's about 85, but it's hot. She's burnt.
So are you?
I'm burnt, but I turn brown, so who's the real winner? She stays like Larry the Lobster.
We got some donuts to try just before we left.
don't turn it all the way
I
down,
didn't mean to
no.
turn it all the way. Yeah, we got some donuts from Blizzard Beach on the way out. So
Joffrey's,
we've got from Joffrey's Coffee. So we got a snack. That's what they look like.
And then we've got raspberry sauce.
And a raspberry dip to try.
Give it a whirl. I'm going first this time.
Would you do it every time?
I don't. Oh, that's a good dunk.
My turn.
Tastes like goose there, donuts.
Do they?
You're just having the whole thing. No, you're having the whole thing.
Oh.
Just get the whole thing in. Good. That's warm.
Yeah, not really for me though.
Why?
I don't love donuts, do I?
Oh my god. So you're telling me I've got to eat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then eat Raising Cane's?
Yeah.
Deal. Challenge accepted.
Because you're a big bat.
Good size me lot. I look like a waffle.
You enjoy those. We're going to drive to TJ Maxx now.
We made it.
Nearly lost me.
Are you happy now?
Yeah.
She's literally been asking for days to go here. So let's go in and see the same stuff that we've already seen 1,000 times in Marshalls and
gonna get some
Home
boxes.
Goods and
One Marshalls.
yeah, but it's all the same. It's all the same stuff.
Wow.
Right, I'll probably get some more boxes and socks. That's about it. So this Australian Gold Instant Bronzer. This is our favourite sun cream ever. $5.99. It's amazing. The smell just reminds you of Florida. But they've got this one. So I'm gonna give this one a try. Spray sunscreen. So I'm gonna give that a whirl, see what it's like. So I'm guilty for doing the thing that everyone does when they go home bargains. I've ended up with a sourdough bread kit, starter kit, because I want to start making sourdough. Let's see how long this hobby lasts. But it's so cool. The one that was on Amazon is $27.99 and this is only $14, so bargain. These prices are the reason why I have so many pairs of socks, because $9.99 for 6 pairs of socks. How much are they in England? Seriously, you just can't go wrong. There's so many different ones. There's Nike, Calvin Klein, Adidas, Ralph Lauren. They're so cheap. Champion, Spider, loads and loads and loads.
Got an African net sponge for the shower.
They're supposed to be insane, you know.
Yep. Got glazed donut, bright and plump face serum by Truly.
Nice.
Got some lightweight hydrating moisturiser for breakout prone and sensitive skin. My Starface, which is the Spot Patch brand. And then Stress and Sleep Gummies, Essentials.
Standard. And I'm still walking around with my buddies.
The people that get their gummies from Target and Walmart and pay double the price come
Yep.
to TJ because they're cheaper.
Correct. So cheaper. Do you think she bought enough?
The bag's just for the shopping when we go home.
Oh yeah.
The bag was 99 cents.
Bargain.
It is. And it's cute.
She said she's going to do a haul when she gets back to the villa. I didn't have a chance to show it, I just ate it. But now we're back. We're back at the humble abode. What are you up to?
Chilling.
Yeah, we're knackered. This is the first night we've been back. Like before what? 10 o'clock? So we're knackered, just having a reset. But still so hot. What time is it? 7:05. Gonna relax for a bit. Go do a bit of editing. Just relax for the evening. If we get up to anything, I will show. And Chloe's got to do a haul yet anyway, so see you soon.
It's such a nice night. It's not too hot. It's quiet as hell. And then you've got this guy.
I can't hear a thing in here.
Yep, he can't even hear me, which is even better, so I can say whatever I want about him and he don't even have a clue what I'm saying.
I'm like a water baby.
You're like a whale, baby.
I can't hear a thing you're saying. I guess you're being nice.
So Ash sent me inside because he wanted a little snacky snack with a dessert. Although he's definitely a child, look. I came back out, he had snorkel goggles on under the water. And now he's playing with a kid's bucket.
In the pool.
It's not a pool, it's a hot tub. You're supposed to chill.
Well, there was something in it.
Look at his sunburn.
I don't know what it is.
Your back on this camera looks so white compared to your arms. They're so red. Do you know what it is? It's like this bit because you wear t-shirts more, isn't it?
Well, I've been wearing a vest today.
Show us your ice cream.
I can't even see it. It's frozen.
Put it in the water a sec.
Ants all around it.
Just dip it in. That's it, see?
Talenti Roman raspberry.
That's your favourite brand of ice cream over here, isn't it?
Mint, the Mediterranean mint.
Yeah.
That is absolute 10 out of 10, but they didn't have it
No.
in Walmart or wherever we went.
When we came in 2024 for Christmas, he sat one night and ate a full tub of the mint one
It's unreal.
in one sitting, and then wondered why he had stomachache the next day. But yeah, it's great. But this time he's gone for a sorbet instead.
Because they didn't have the mint. Well, my choice.
Maybe your alligator friend will come over and share it with you.
Oh, look at this.
Let's have a look. Beautiful. First taste.
Yeah, it's a bit cold. Put it on.
Dip your spoon in the pool and warm it up.
No, I'm getting chlorine in my ice cream. Sorbet. Oh my god.
We're good.
Let's go. Go.
You enjoy. I'll just be here. Oh, plane. The planes are busy tonight. Aren't they? And they're very low down as well. Meow. Yep, he's just floating about. Weirdo. So what turned into a chill night is now Ash wanting to have a Dairy Queen. So me, Ash and Danielle, we're on our way out, going to Dairy Queen to get us a Blizzard. Gonna try it for the first time. We just got to Dairy Queen. It was a 16-minute drive from the villa. So we're gonna see what we can get. Oh, look at that. They look insane. Let's go and see what we can get. How excited are you?
Yeah, I want to try this.
What?
I've not tried it before.
Oh, yeah. So, Blizzard. Oh.
So, Chloe just run across to CVS whilst I wait for the ice creams. I got, let's have a look at the receipt, hold on. A mint Oreo Blizzard, and Chloe got a strawberry angel food cake, and then my sister got this, just a strawberry milkshake. So we'll still find out how that is. Looks cute though. And for 2 mediums, Blizzards were $12.98. So not bad. We'll soon see. I'll review it and see how good it actually is. Also, I knew it wouldn't be a chill night. It's never ever a chill night when you're on holiday in Florida. It's always go, 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 go. But it's 18 minutes past 9. My nuts. 18 minutes past 9. So I'm going to go back and chill, maybe edit a few videos and then review this food. It's been another good day. I'm not tired today though, but the sun has took it out of me a little bit and a little bit red, but good time to chill out. Ice cream, going to wind down and just have a busy day tomorrow. Just looking at Hollywood Studios tomorrow, so more parks, more walking, more steps. Love it. So apologies for the lighting, but Chloe has left me here and this is going everywhere. This is the strawberry one and it's dripping all down me, but look at that, it looks insane. How do you... Insane. Oh my god, it's going everywhere. No time for that. And mine, mint Oreo. Looks good. I can't use the spoon, so I've got one hand and I've got my torch. Oh. Insane. Good decisions were made. Both strong 9 out of 10s. Let's see what Chloe gives. I'm not going to tell her what I give. Oh my goodness, it's all on my face. We'll see what Chloe thinks.
Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen. Ash, you got...
I already said it. We've done all this.
Oh, it's just me?
It's just you.
Oh, what did I get? I got strawberry angel cake.
I already told him that.
What am I doing then?
Just trying it, love. Even though you've already drank half of it.
I didn't drink it, it's just melted now, look. It's basically like, for me it's like a 7 out of 10 because it's got full on bits of cake in and I don't like things that, I don't want to drink.
You're not drinking?
I don't want to chew a drink.
Start drink!
It is now, it's melted. I don't
Yeah,
wanna
because you've let it melt, it was an ice cream.
I also don't want to chew an ice cream.
Right.
So for me, it's just not this flavour.
It's got like little cake bits.
Yeah.
Like angel
So
cake.
I don't know if I can find it.
Clues in the name, strawberry angel cake, but
Angel cake.
and she didn't like it for
Yeah,
some
it's
reason.
just the cake's like really chewy, so it's not for me. But the actual flavour's really good. I'll give the flavour like a 9 out of 10.
The
Why-
strawberry's nice.
Why is your face wet? You crying?
No.
Well, maybe it's just from your drink.
This mint one, banging, unreal. I'm just letting it melt a little bit so I can like drink and eat it. I like a bit of like a milkshakey vibe,
You do that, darling.
but she's weirdo. I love that.
I love that.
7 out of 10.
Slay.
9.
I feel like this is just a bit floppy.
9.
So we're tired.
No, it's a 7 out of 10. That's outrageous.
No, not the Dairy Queen. I meant this vlog. This part of the vlog.
Well, it's 10 o'clock now. It's time to
Yeah,
mood.
it is. So we should sign off now.
Yeah, busy day tomorrow.
We'll go in Hollywood Studios in the morning, and then we're gonna Epcot
For the fireworks.
for the fireworks at night time. And we've also got to go to every country around the world and take a photo to mark it off my Disney World 2026 bucket list.
So I fear my feet are going to be in bits.
Slay Queen.
Slay Queen, not Dairy Queen.
Another day, another sleigh.
On that note, goodbye. That is so cringe.